Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing like a summery festival carnival vibes kind of look. I'm not wearing any foundation on my face. I'm going to do that after. I decided to do my eyeshadow first. So I'm going to show you how I achieve this look. So stay tuned. Guys, I'm using the Box of Crayons eyeshadow palette. I'm using the colors baby blue. The normal blue is like a dark blue. I'm using the green color and the yellow color. So first I'm going to prime my eyelids with my Proconcealer in the color Fawn. I'm going to go in with the dark blue shade first. So now I'm just going to blend out the edges of that blue with a blending brush just to neaten it out. Now I'm going to go in with the green shade right over that. Also going to take the same blending brush and blend out the edges of that. So now I'm going to go in with the yellow shade right over the green. So now I'm just going to take a brush and blend in that. Now I'm going to cut the crease with the Lagirl Proconcealer. So what I do next is to set it with some setting powder. I'm using the, it's not closed, the Fentybeauty in the color Honey. So now I'm going to go in with the baby blue color right on top of where I set the crease. So I'm going to go in with my silver glitter in the inner corner. I'm using Collections Glam Crystals in the color, it's a silverish color, but their name is Fallen Angel 2. And I'm using also the Collections glitter glue. Yeah, it's a bit dirty at the moment, but obviously I use it a lot, so yeah. So I'm going to do that now, but I use a different glitter for the ones at the end. I'm going to show you that when I use that. So for the chunky glitters right here, I'm using these iridescent whitish kind of glitters from Love Olivia K on Instagram. Guys, I'm gonna finish applying the rest of my makeup, my foundation, highlighter, and come back to you and show you how I do the bottom lash line. So for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with the dark blue shade first. Then I'm going to blend it out with the green shade. Now I'm going to go in with the yellow shade underneath that. Guys, I added my highlighter and my lashes, and for my lips I'm going to use this lip liquid lipstick from Primark. I had it for a long time now, since I was working there and everything. It's PS Instagirl Intense Liquid Lipstick in My Story. That's the name for it, My Story. But it's a really nice purple color. I had it so long, but I haven't really used it. And then I'm gonna do like a kind of an ombre-ish kind of purple color. So I'm gonna put this Lagirl Matte Flat Velvet lipstick in the color, what color is this? This is called Giggle. And then for my topper, I'm gonna use this Juicy Glitter Lip Gloss from Magic Collection. So guys, this is the finished look. This hairstyle is a wig that I got from AliExpress like ages ago. This was actually 18 inches. I wore this for a while, so it's a refurbished wig that I made into a bob. So I tried. I'm not really good on the hair, but I tried. Hope you like it. So guys, let me know how you like this makeup look down below in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, and hit that notification bell, guys. Bye!
Pretty little thing, like my nigga AE. Say, got out that I mean. Taste, she can get a taste.